I planted plants along this fence a while ago. Let's just check them out, see how they're doing. Hey, look, a shovel. Okay, let's see what's growing up here. Here's a tree I planted. That looks like it's doing okay. I think that's a lot of new growth this year. What else we got? This is supposed to be one of those beautiful shade trees. Oh, look. This can go. This could go up on the fence. Let's see. Oh yes, here. There's a cedar. And this is being killed by these rose chafers. Horrible animals. No purpose except mating. And there's another cedar. And this is a lilac. Another. These being killed off by this darn rose chafers. I have to come out here and put dishwater on it. Another lilac. This is doing very well. Root, shoot, grow. At the grow stage. Uh-oh. That's a real sheep. Hey, Gary! There's a dead sheep here! It's too late. It's been here a while. Don't see any of the other things I planted along here. This is the rocks where Abraham used to play. There's my house. That should be the front. Isn't that beautiful? Well, except for the mess and all. Okay, that was the fence row.